here. 71 degrees in Philadelphia. We do have a stalled frontal boundary laying right over the area right now. So north of that boundary, temperatures are cool. 60s in the Lehigh Valley and Berks County. But if you're ahead of that boundary down the shore, you're feeling a little bit warmer today. We're at 78 degrees in AC, 78 in Wildwood. But you still have the gray conditions right now. Getting a live look at Cape May. It looks a little wet, a little misty, a little gray, but people still taking a stroll on the beach with those mild temperatures. And the sun is trying to peek out right now, seeing the breaks in that cloud deck. But conversely, as the sun comes out, destabilizing the atmosphere, and now showers are starting to pop up as well. And we are locked in with the cloud cover on 95 points north and westward. We're already starting to see some showers breaking out in Berks County right now and along the coast. Little drip drop, little shower moving through Atlantic City, and we will see these showers and storms continue to develop and increase in their intensity and their coverage as we head into the second half of the day. So heads up for that down the shore. Also, do not go in the water. We do have that high risk of rip currents again today. And our forecast high temperature, we're heading up into the 80s along the coast. Future weather showing us as we head into the afternoon hours. We'll continue to see these cells popping up, pretty scattered in nature. Some could produce some heavy rainfall. We could even see maybe a strong thunderstorm as we head into the evening hours. That will continue. The best concentration, the highest concentration of storm activity later in the evening hours, I think, will be in some of our northwestern suburbs. Maybe a few lingering showers overnight tonight. And then guess what? Tomorrow, more rain in the forecast. Showers and thunderstorms looking likely. Again, pretty scattered in nature across the area as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. But of course, top of mind, what we're all talking about is Hurricane Florence as we check out the enhanced satellite imagery. Just impressive. Typically, the more symmetrical a storm, the stronger the storm. And Florence is very symmetrical. You can see that clear and defined eye right now as it continues to make a move towards the U.S. coastline. A storm surge watch is in effect all along the Carolina coastline. From Kill Devil Hills down into the Charleston area. We could already see that push of water of up to 3 to 5 feet starting Thursday morning. And actually, when we think about hurricanes, of course, we visualize these very intense winds, and they are dangerous. But taking a look at hurricane deaths from 1963 to 2012, the wind attributed 8% of hurricane fatalities. It is the storm surge. Nearly 50% of fatalities from that influx of water being pushed on land by these enormous waves. Forecast wave heights 30, 35 feet offshore. And we could see storm surge moving onto the coast in these areas along the Carolina coastline of over 12 feet and potentially even higher. So, of course, we have the storm surge threat. Then we have this inland flooding threat with potentially over 30 inches of rain from this system. And of course, then we still have to deal with the winds on top of that. Hurricane force winds nearly guaranteed along the Carolina coastline. We do have a small chance of perhaps seeing some tropical storm force gusts, especially down the shore as we head into Friday. But our main concern tonight is going to be these showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures in the middle 70s as we head into the evening hours. And it is a pretty wet forecast as we head into the next several days. More storms on Wednesday, into Thursday, Friday as well. It's really not until we head into the end of the weekend that we're going to start to see an influx of moisture from Florence, that we could see some rain developing across the area. So it remains to be seen. We'll only likely see indirect impacts here from this system as we head into the long range. So no direct impacts from Florence for us. So that's the good news.
That is some good news. All right, thanks, Lauren.
Yeah.
The Northern Lights